Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lady Zion Mother's Creativities. You are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my vegetable sausage, like how I prepare my vegetable sausage. And these are the ingredients we are going to be using. And before we go ahead, if you are new, you are welcome. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Lady Zion Mother's Creativities. And if you like what we do here, we do cooking recipe, our lifestyles, and face mask tutorial. So if you are interested of all these things, please hit that button, subscribe, and put on the notification bell in case anytime we put on a new video, you will be the first to notify. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. May the Lord God Almighty bless you. So before we go ahead, I would like to introduce my ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe. This is a mushroom. I'm going to be using mushroom, and my bell pepper, yellow and red bell pepper. I'm going to be using that. And my porridge, I'm going to be using this as well. I'm going to be using porridge. And this is my fresh potato. This is my fresh potato. It needs to be washed thoroughly. So I'm going to introduce all the ingredients, and I'll go ahead to make sure I maintain it and skin. So this is it. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe, and with the rest ingredients. So before we roll into this video, stay tuned as I clean up ingredients and dice it. See you soon, guys. So guys, these are the ingredients we are going to be using for this vegetable sausage. You can see how colorful and beautiful everything is. So go ahead, without taking much time, let's just go ahead with this video. This is my diced potato, my skillet, turkey and chicken, made with turkey and chicken. And this is my porridge. Everything have been washed and cleaned. This is my mushroom. This is the black mushroom. This is my garlic. And this is my bell pepper and onions. I decided to add a little Scotch bonnet pepper. You know, we Africa cannot do without some pepper. And these are the dry ingredients that I'm going to be adding to it. This is my vegetable oil, which is olive oil. So we'll go ahead with this video right now. Stay tuned. I'll add my oil. This is the little oil for the. I will go ahead and fry out the potato first. You can also grill it if you want to do it in your oven as well. You can also use oven. So guys, this is okay. So guys, we are going to fry everything now. You can see the potato and the skillet have been prepared. So we are going to start with the mixing of everything. I'll go ahead with my garlic. I'll add my onions. I'll add my mushroom. This is the color of the mushroom. I'll add the porridge. I'll then add a little bit of oil. I'll add my red pepper and yellow pepper and my Scotch bonnet pepper. The potato. I'm adding my skillet as well. Two more minutes, we are done. So guys, this is the end of this video. Can you see how beautiful and colorful is the sausage? Simple and healthy. If you want your skin to be glowing like beautiful, just try and be eating this kind of food. So if you love this video and you enjoy watching, please do give this video a thumbs up. And if you decided to join us, you are welcome. And if you have not yet subscribed, hit that button, subscribe, put on the notification bell. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.